you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course. And in today's motherfucking video, I will be getting motherfucking ready. But yeah, I missed you guys so fucking much. I did stop at Mac and I bought a couple things, right? I low-key bought this face serum kit. It's like, you know, something to hydrate your face before you start putting on makeup. I put some of this on, right? It's a serum. Oh. Like low-key, I liked how it left my skin like all day. I put this in the morning when I had woke up, because low-key my shit was ashy. But yeah, I got this NC20. I believe I've used this concealer before, but I just never knew the name. But we gonna keep it light, we gonna keep it cute. Oh, hi girl. We got Cece in the cup. Hi mama. Say hi. Okay. Hi. Oh no. I low-key gotta put her down because she low-key scratches up my fucking shit. Yeah. So I don't know. Bitch. Ooh. I just want to do the fucking lip combo already. Like, do you bitches remember, is it Jody or Jordan? Bitch, it's one of them. I know they both have lip combos with MAC. When I go over the combo, you'll understand what sister, but it was more on like a nude-ish, you know, combo, and I thought it was like so cute. So I got it and I'm gonna motherfucking try it. Damn, when did that combo? I don't even know when the fuck that shit came out. That's cunt. Okay, so the eyebrows, bam, brow surgeon on Insta, bitch. Okay, this bitch peed in one of my drawers. Gentle parenting. It's fine. It's okay. You guys want to hear a motherfucking story? Because this shit got me so damn fucked up. Tell me. Okay. Tell me why I had ordered that one like vacuum shit from TikTok shop. And it was butt crack early. And the delivery driver sent me a picture and everything of him leaving my package where my mailboxes are in my apartment complex, right? So I'm like, okay, thank you. Like, you know, I'll get it when I can. And keep in mind, I was like steam mopping, like, you know, my whole fucking place. And I was just busy, bitch, okay? So I didn't get it right away. An hour fucking later, dude, I go check and it's not there. It's not in the place where the guy sent me the fucking picture. And I'm like, yo. So I go to the leasing office and I'm like, hey guys, someone took my package. Like, can we do something about that? Like, please. Hopefully not one of, like, you know, my neighbors, right? Which I fucking doubt it. But then they tell me that they checked the cameras and it was a, when I fucking say this, it was a fucking homeless man on a bike. Oh my goodness. And you know what? I think that's my karma. And I only say this, guys, because if you if you guys are real ones, basically, I think in the video where I'm getting ready for the fashion of a beach house and I put in like a little dumb story time to basically recap on that fucking story time, I had basically tipped some guy with my car and he was on a bike. He really, look, he tried to fucking finesse, okay? He tried to say like he wasn't hurt, that I fucking broke his bike and that I need to pay. I was like, homeboy, I'm not paying for your fucking shit. Like, are you okay? Like, I really thought I hit you because the way that he like landed on my fucking it just wasn't funny at the time, you know? But then when he said that he wasn't hurt and I just broke his fucking dumbass bike, I'm like, you gotta go. Get the fuck out of my face. Are we serious? I'm not paying for shit, bro. You guys just need to go watch that shit. I just love how like my channel is literally me starting off at like what, 15 years old, and it's so much of a fucking trial and error channel. Like, I try so many things. I've bought cameras, different phones, different mics, different fucking, it's actually funny. It's funny as fuck. I crack myself up. I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors blush. It's like super pinky, and I feel like those are just like the best blushes. Let's see. Ruby Kisses. If you guys aren't using Ruby Kisses, bitch, you bitches are sleeping. Then I'm melting these colors one more time. So the bronzer and then blush, bitch, trust. Oh, you're gonna look all pinky and soft, bitch. I fucking love, this is a Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Too fire. Blush blindness. You can't even fucking see it. For eyelashes are my Blancos. They are my shorter lash. Use the code I love Juan Carlos 2 for 20. If you use Aquarius MILF, you get 3 and you get 1 free. Bitch, period. And yeah. So quick little fucking trick, right? We're gonna grab the eyelash glue. This is the Kiss eyelash glue, and we're gonna put this bitch on like eyeliner. It doesn't really matter on the mascara, bitch, okay? For my under eye, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Studio. We're just gonna pat that under here. Like, look at that, bitch. Ooh, kill him. No, oh my goodness. Wow. I'm like hotness. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, ho. Ta-da! Okay, now time for the exciting part. Well, second to last exciting part, right? Is the highlight. Oh shit. Oh shit. In the Too Faced eyeshadow in, what is it? Disco Crush. Don't be afraid to put that shit everywhere. We are finally, okay, finally gonna know if I can do it. So the lip combo is basically gonna be the MAC lip liner in Cork, off with the MAC lip gloss in Please Me, and then last but not least, the actual clear lip gloss. If you know what sister it is, yeah, comment down below. Shout out to that bitch. But I love the nude look, so we're gonna go ahead and do that shit. Okay, that's a little orangey for me. You already know what color we're gonna use. It's the LA Girls one. See? And the last final step. Ta-da! Woo! I got my hair done yesterday. Girl, she put her face in the powder. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do something with my hair right now. I low-key had a identity crisis and I wanted to put on my wig, so yeah, I do have a video of how to beat your face and melt your lace in one video, so go check that out if you want to know how I installed this bitch. And the wig is from TikTok shop. Okay, but I want to show you guys the fits. All Fashion Nova right here. Stay tuned for the try on haul. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video as well as the look. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for Vlog My Ass. I'll see you bad bitches in my next video, okay? I love you guys.